From Fox 5, this is The Noon.
New Yorkers know. They know to come to you because you're the talk of the town when it comes to what works and what's new and what's hot. So talk to us about this bad boy right here, this big machine.
Right, this is Sofwave, and this is one of my favorite devices. So I am very skeptical of everything when it comes to market.
Yeah.
Sofwave really meets that bar that I have for effectiveness with minimal downtime. So if you're ready to look your best in the summer and you're like, what can I do in the summer that doesn't have downtime and that I don't have to worry if I have a tan?
Where can you use it though? Like what parts of your body? What are we talking
everywhere.
about?
So we do it face, neck, and chest. You could do full face. You can just do parts of face. We do it for the upper lip just to give a lip lift. So instead of having a surgical lip lift with a scar, which can be problematic, you can just do this a few times and it will tighten and lift and give you a little bit of a lip lift.
Interesting.
Yeah. So this uses synchronous parallel layer ultrasound technology. It doesn't go to the fat. It's not causing burning or spikes of heat going in that's going to cause scarring, to cause contraction. This actually helps restore your natural collagen, which helps improve the quality of your skin. It doesn't have downtime. It takes about 40 minutes to do the full face and neck.
Does it hurt?
It hurts less than other things. So I talk about discomfort over pain. So what happens is you get a crescendo where you're like, I'm okay, I'm okay. Last 2 seconds, you feel it, and then it goes away. But there's no lingering discomfort with it. And you see the effects starting at about 2 weeks. Patients will come in and they'll tell me two things. They'll say, this really works, and they start to feel it, and then people start noticing that you look better starting at about a month, and then it just keeps getting better.
I like that. Okay, I like some non-invasive stuff that makes you look snatched.
And it's great in the summer because there's no downtime, and it doesn't matter if you've been outdoors or not.
Yeah. What do you have? What's this contraption over here?
So this
it looks like a cell phone charger. I'm wondering what this is.
This is Pure Impact. So this is the first FDA-cleared technology designed to firm, smooth, and strengthen the buttocks, thighs, and abdomen.
Oh, okay.
And this replicates plyometrics, which is an advanced exercise technology used by top athletes using muscle stimulation. And this helps recruit muscle fibers that boost your own natural muscle in just a 30-minute session. And it's wireless. So we hook the patients up, and they can lay there, be on their cell phone, and it gives you stronger abs. So whatever exercise workout you're doing, you elevate it
over the edge.
Over the edge.